special person who give us maximum support to the fullest, and we are thanking him very much for giving us the support, in any ways. Lamin Jasi, we thank you very much. Kubala, we thank you very much. And another big thanks goes out to our patrons. Special, there are special people I cannot just go without telling them thank you, and Jarama, and that's Faseni Bojang. I thank him so much for patronizing us with that surprises. We are very much grateful with what we've received from you. No need to mention, but there are few we have to. And another one goes to Job Dinding, known as Nati. Nati, thank you so much, and thanks for supporting the show, and we love you. And also going out to Aruki Job, she is a young sister, and she also did a very wonderful support in this event. So we thank all of them. There are so many we can't even finish naming. Also going out to Pamusa Jiba and the wife Rohingya. We thank them so much for their wonderful and patrons. Also to Jaria, to Sanyang, Sibichor, and everybody that comes with special gift to this event. We thank them fully. And the biggest one goes out to all the Gambian people that come from far and near. All over, people come from all over, from Serekunda, Bakau, Sanyang, you just name it, Kartong, Sifo, Brekama, all over Gambia. We thank you so much, and this is a very special event. Look out for the 3rd year anniversary, that is 2014, December 21st. We love you all. It's the Gambia Leaks magazine. I salute you. And thank you, Mr. Cameraman. I cannot just go without even thanking you, because you are also one of a special guy. Without your participation in this event, I won't be here even talking to you, because this is after the show. So I thank you very specially. You have been doing a lot for me since last year. You were the man who was taking care of the video coverage, and at no cost. You didn't charge me. You are just doing this for the love of and everything. So I thank you so much, Mr. Buba. And in case anybody needs the video coverage, just visit the man. He is qualified in whatever he is doing. I thank him very much. Buba, thank you so much, and I cannot just pay you. Thank you very much. And Gambia, I love you all.